Hello my friends, I'm turning my Dacia Sandero into a house to travel in for a very long time. Now I'm starting to build the two extensions that will create the flat surface to sleep on. Today we received a new part that I'm working on right now. The folding bracket for the feet. Look at this beauty. It's very solid and it's very black. Oh yeah. I made a little test here. It seems to be working. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, look at this foldable foot. Well, this is the sleeping surface. And here we go. Boom! It's really solid. After 20 adjustments to get the feet's length right, it's time to try out the first. It's time to try out the first. It's time to try out the first one. First one. Of course, it's perfect. In the next episode, I teach you a professional pattern to ensure optimal grip of your glue.